Hi guys, for this video, I will show you how I transformed the Ikea play kitchen into a functional one. The first thing I did was to remove this shelf under the sink, and to do that I just had to unscrew this door and put it back. After this, I unscrewed the faucet and removed it as well. I bought this rechargeable water pump in Amazon, and all you need to do is thread the tube in this first hole. You will need 2 gallons to go under the sink. One will hold the clean water and one for the dirty water. Now I am making holes for the sink and I am just using a screwdriver. Do make sure that the gallon under the sink will be able to catch your dirty water without any leakage. Now you can just pull this out and replace it with a chopping board. I am securing my chopping board using a double-sided tape. And the last thing I did was to place a safety lock. Now you can do the fun part, which is decorating and placing everything you need for the kitchen. I hope you find this video helpful. Give us a like and do subscribe on our channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. Bye!